Hello everybody, and welcome to the Oculus Rift presentation. Since the dawn of technology, there was always this fantasy of getting inside the virtual world, but never fully succeed. There was always this feeling of this is not the real thing, this is just a video game. But now, we almost can. Meet Oculus Rift. Oculus Rift started as a Kickstarter in 2012, and since then they raised about $2.4 million. You want to know why? Let's meet Jacobs. Jacobs has got the chance to try the Oculus Rift for the first time. In the screen you can see what Jacobs actually looking at. Did I mention Jacobs afraid of roller coasters? So now we saw what Oculus Rift can do. Let's talk about the main points which Oculus thought about them before planning the VR headset. The vision of the Oculus Rift. They thought about something that can be easy to use, not too much expensive, can be programmed by other developers for other uses, prevent from nausea and headaches from overuse the headset, and of course, lightweight. So after they put the points, they started to planning and got to work. Now let's see what it's actually built from. As we can see, it's not so complex. In here, we have a thick layer of foam, which is placed for the protection and for the comfortable of the users from the headsets. Afterwards, we have the changeable lenses, which can be changed by the users for different near eyesight problems. After that, we have the dial, which is adjustable for the focus of the picture. Afterwards, we have the HD display, which actually shows the virtual reality world. Behind him, we have the circuit board, which actually is the brain of the headsets. And in the end, we have the cover, which is made of plastic and can consume all the headset. Now that we understand what the Oculus Rift is built from, now let's dig it up a little bit to see what it makes it so special from the other predecessors. The Oculus Tracker V2 chip. This tiny chip is placed in the circuit board and makes all the difference. It can read almost precisely the head movement of the user and can in the pitch, yaw and roll axles and translate it to the simulation. In addition to that, we also have the position tracker device. This device, like the chip, can also read movement, but in the space of the room. It lets you lean forward or side to side and get closer to a VR object. The combination of the chip and the tracker also prevent from feeling dizziness and nausea from overuses of the headset. The HD display may seem small and show a single picture, but Oculus went into a different path. They decided instead of one single large image, they will split the screen into two smaller images for each eye. This gives the user the panoramic image and make it feel more realistic. This is just the tip of the iceberg. In the future we can use the VR headset not only for fun, but also for other purposes, such as making plans for a building and see inside before it's actually built, or maybe to use it for a simulation for training, for military or aviation, to see actual events and from another perspective view. In conclusion, we saw that Oculus Rift is a huge step in the progress of gaining access to virtual reality. We saw Jacob's reaction to the roller coaster simulation and see that feeling is real and not fake. We also saw how they developed the Oculus Tracker chip and the position tracker. Those two gave us the full immersion of the realistic of virtual reality world. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Have a nice day and goodbye.